Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's Halloween DIY lookbook. So today we're gonna get a little spooky. I almost blew out the candle with that laugh. Whoa. Anyways, I thought it'd be fun because plus size costumes can be hard to find, as we all know. So I thought it would be fun to show you how you can kind of get creative with things you might already have in your own closet. Let's get started. So for the first look, I thought it would be really fun to recreate one of my favorite spooky kind of characters, Wednesday Addams. I got this dress for my Hot Topic try-on video, and I thought it would have been literally perfect for Wednesday Addams, and as you see, it was. All I did was add some tights and some short booties, and of course her signature pigtail braids, and Wednesday Addams, here I was. I think this is so fun because you can also use this dress for other times. It's not just like a one and done, which is a huge benefit to doing costumes like this, is you can actually get more than one use out of them. Just a side note, anything that is in this video that you can actually buy, I will link in the description box below so you can get spooky with yourself as well. So the next thing I tried, we kind of kept it a little lighter and brighter on the funner, whimsical side of Halloween. And I am Barbie herself. But not just any Barbie. Limited edition, plus size Barbie. Cellulite included. With this one, I just used that really fun skirt that I got from my Fashion Nova video, and I just paired it with a fun necklace, and I feel like the heart sunglasses really set this one off. So definitely get the skirt. You could pretty much do any top you want tucked into the skirt, but the thing that I think really set it apart, like I said, were the fun sunglasses, because Barbie's kind of known for things like that. So just little touches like that are going to help set it apart. But honestly, with this skirt, you could do a lot of different things. People thought that I was a flamingo dancer. Someone even said I look like Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City. So honestly, the options are endless with this. So you can use the skirt for Halloween to come, plus just a normal Saturday. I mean, like, whatever, right? It's beautiful. The next one is really spooky. Probably the most spooky of them all. It is being ghosted. Those of you who have been ghosted know how much that sucks, and those of you who haven't can probably relate to how much that sucks. Either way, it's kind of a pop culture phenomenon that I just thought would be kind of punny to put in a costume. So literally all I did was took a white bed sheet, wrap it around, and I printed off a fake text combo of being ghosted and just taped it onto the front of my sheet. And there you go. Boom. Couldn't have been easier, couldn't have been cheaper. Who doesn't have a sheet? Who doesn't have... Well, if you don't have a printer, maybe you can go to the library and print it off, or go to a friend's house. Worst case scenario, you could get a marker and a pen, and on a piece of paper, make your own fake text combo. So this might be the most affordable of all of the costumes. I just think it's very fun and unique way to kind of do a play on words, or the spookiness of it all. The next look will have you running for your life. I had to do a zombie look because, like, hello, one of the easiest ones that you can do, but the details here are all in the makeup. Let's talk about the outfit. Anything distressed that you might already own. As you know, I have a lot already, so this was very easy for me. But if you don't already have things that are distressed, then you can definitely just rip up an old shirt, or worst case scenario, you can go to Walmart, get a $2 or $3 men's tee, grab a pair of scissors, and have at it. And that makes for the perfect, easy zombie look that the whole family can enjoy. The next one is the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, honey. I had to be Sandy from Grease. I've been wanting to do this version of Sandy from Grease for years, so I thought this was the perfect excuse. I got those leather leggings from Lane Bryant. I just wore an off-the-shoulder black tee that I've had from years ago, but so obviously any off-the-shoulder black tee would do. And of course, some red heels. I don't have the same exact one she has, but that's the fun of a DIY costume. It doesn't have to be exact. It can just kind of be a playful play on it. So that's exactly what I did here. I think it turned out so cute. The hair is really what kind of helps set it off as well. You could totally tell that I am trying to be Sandy and Sandra Dee I am. So I really love this one. It's super fun. This one is Emerald City approved. My Dorothy costume, and this is actually what I'm going to be wearing for Halloween. I am so excited. I got this gingham skirt over the summer in a D&Co box, so I just knew I had to be Dorothy once I had that. So I just made this a 2019 version of Dorothy, and I am using those fishnet little socks to kind of make them a little more fun and trendy, and those red glitter sneakers, which are actually very comfortable, and I'm super excited about. I haven't worn them until Halloween, and I will definitely keep them away until Halloween. But after Halloween, get ready for some red glitter Snickers. Snickers? Wow, that could be a real treat. Sneakers. Some red glitter sneakers. Obviously I had to do the braids, but I decided to just do a braid to the side because, like I said, we kind of did like a 2019 Dorothy, so it's kind of a play on Dorothy and not the exact Dorothy that you're maybe used to. So I thought this was really fun. Now this dress right here was from my Fashion Nova video as well. I really thought this would make a fun play on Elsa. Now this is Instagram baddie Elsa because obviously it's more royal, her outfit's more ice blue, and it's a lot shorter than any Disney princess ought to be wearing. So I thought it'd be just kind of a fun play on that. Just a little bit unique twist and something that you can wear then time and time again, even after Halloween is long gone. And if Elsa isn't your jam, and you're not feeling the Disney princess vibe, I also thought that this outfit could make the perfect Violet Beauregarde from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory after she turned into a blueberry, if she would have embraced her curves. Am I the only one laughing at that one? I thought that was pretty clever. Let me know. So that one I thought was really fun, and obviously it would be a laugh all night long as you explained who and what exactly your costume is all about. Talk about plus size positivity. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween do-it-yourself lookbook. Comment below your favorite look, and I'd love to know if you're going to dress up for Halloween, and if you are, what are you gonna be? Hit the notification bell so you could be notified every time I post a spooky video. Thank you for watching, and remember to just be you. Well, I blew the candle out, so here we are in the light, kind of, still wanted to keep it kind of spooky with darker light. So last video's song that we said was from 9 to 5 by Dolly Parton herself. In this video's movie quote is, "Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I can't believe it." Comment below if you know what movie that's from without using Google. Scary spooky skeletons creeping down my spine. She did the mash. She did the monster mash. It was a smash. It was a great. There's not that many Halloween songs. Really. Up a doo up a pump. I can't. I don't know. The hand jive. How do you do the hand jive? I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Daddy, I want to go to the USA, and I'm going to eat every candy in this chocolate factory. Is that a line she says? I feel like it's a line she should have said. I want it now. Let it go. Let it flow. Let it flow. Instagram baddie Elsa. Gonna pop your butt all the way out to an unbelievably uncomfortable position to make it look like way bigger than it actually is. We have flying monkeys and toados and flying monkeys and toados. Yes, who's the good witch and who's the evil witch? Which one? Oh, we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Oz. Because. Calm down, you guys. You both can be flying monkeys, okay? Okay. Don't ghost me. Don't ghost me. Don't ghost me. Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Don't ghost me. I'm a zombie and I'm gonna eat your brains. I'm a zombie and I'm gonna eat your brains. I'm a zombie and I might drive you insane. Ooh, 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 ooh. Belly.
Okay, see ya.